OnePlus has a history of making top-notch devices, be it the first ever OnePlus One or the OnePlus 5T. Now the thing with this particular company is they have always been focused on giving you top-notch performance while keeping the value in check and not giving a very heavy skin, which would then impact the performance. At the same time, their hardware has always been flagship grade, be it the Snapdragon 801 on the OnePlus One or the Snapdragon 845 in today's OnePlus 6. In today's review, we take a closer look at their latest offering, that is the OnePlus 6, which comes in couple of variants, 2 to 3 different variants, and we will go ahead and analyze each and every aspect of this particular device for a company which started as a flagship killer. Where does it stand now? And we will be having a look at other factors as well. But before we get started, if you haven't already, please subscribe and hit that notification bell icon so that you get notified every time I upload a brand new video. At the same time, here's a card to my second channel, that is Kratos390. Go ahead and check that channel out as well. Now without further ado, hello awesome people, welcome to Smartphone Tutorials. My name is Kailash. Let's begin. So the first thing that we will talk about is the design and build. All metal all this while, and finally we make a switch to glass. As beautiful as the metal clad OnePlus 5T was, the OnePlus 6 takes a complete new approach with Gorilla Glass 5 at the front and at the rear. Be it the shimmery shiny midnight black color or the matte black OnePlus 6, which looks like the metal OnePlus 5T, both the color options look great and feel great to hold as well. The buttons on the OnePlus 6 are very clicky and very tactile, and with the alert slider moved to the right, the ergonomics just feel right. The slight curve at the edges makes the phone comfortable to hold, although pretty slippery, and you might want to add a case or a custom skin to ensure that you don't damage your brand new OnePlus 6. Talking about the design and build, there are more than 2 color options available. We have the silk white and the recently introduced red, which looks awesome. Next up, talking about the hardware on this guy, it probably has all corners covered, minus a few like the camera, maybe a quad HD panel that's missing. OnePlus have done an excellent job with internals of the OnePlus 6. Specifications like a Snapdragon 845, 6 to 8 gigabytes of DDR4X RAM, and a powerful Adreno 630 GPU does the heavy lifting for graphic intensive tasks. UFS 2.1 ensures that the phone flies through the almost stockish Oxygen OS. The 6.28-inch 1080p AMOLED panel with a resolution of 2280 by 1080 is easily one of the best 1080p panels available on the market these days and on any smartphone in this particular price segment. Talking about the display, OnePlus this year decided to go with the notch, and the earpiece, camera, and the ambient light and proximity sensors are here, as is the notification LED. Addition of the notch makes a world of difference to the screen to body ratio. For some, having a notch may be intrusive or even a deal breaker, but credits to OnePlus for optimizing the software in such a way that the notch will only bother you if you manually allow an app to use the full screen. With that said, the notch can be completely disabled as well. The fingerprint scanner, although oddly shaped, works like a charm and is lightning fast. With a combination of several factors like a 3300 mAh battery, a 10 nanometer Snapdragon 845, a power efficient 1080p display add up to great battery life. On a typical day, I get up to 6 hours of screen on time, which is brilliant. And if you were to run out of battery, well, there's the awesome dash charger, which is still the fastest 0 to 100 charging speed I have ever seen on any smartphone. Unlocking the bootloader on the OnePlus 6 is much easier compared to some Xiaomi devices. So yes, if you are someone like me who flashes a lot of ROMs and likes customization and stuff, the OnePlus 6 is definitely a right thing to do. You can definitely go ahead and buy that phone out of the box. You can just type one command, unlock the phone, and you're good to go with a host of customization options available. As for now, I'm enjoying the ownership of the OnePlus 6, and if you like this video, guys, hit that like button and let me know in the comment section what is it that you would want me to add in the next review that I do for any device. Now this is a different approach that I've tried towards reviewing it. If you're following me on Instagram, here's a link to my Instagram channel and all the social networks. You can go ahead and follow me and get in touch with me over there as well. For now, this is Kailash signing off at Smartphone Tutorials. See you in the next one. Goodbye.